Welcome to our factory. Today, I'll show you exactly how a Super Bee is made, step by step. Don't forget to subscribe for more behind-the-scenes videos like this.
Here, powerful furnaces melt high-grade metal alloys to form the strong engine blocks and frames of the Superbike.
Every curve, every component, a testament to precision and power. It's more than a machine, it's a masterpiece.
Here, the molten metal flows through heated pipelines into exact molds, shaping the heart of the Superbike. Each engine component is crafted with microscopic precision using advanced CNC machines. Robotic arms assemble the engine with flawless accuracy, while skilled workers verify every detail. The frame is welded with extreme strength, giving the Superbike its rigid and reliable structure. Now the engine, suspension, fuel tank, electronics, and exhaust system are installed step by step.
Robotic painting and digital dashboards give each makes its premium look and identity.
Hundreds of Superbikes roll forward on the final assembly line, fully built and ready to ride.
Every Superbike undergoes strict quality inspection before leaving the factory.
After approval, the Superbikes are carefully packed and loaded for global distribution.
This factory, pure speed and engineering excellence are delivered to the world.
And this is how a Superbike is made. A perfect blend of power, precision, and performance.
Subscribe now for more amazing factory tours and manufacturing stories.